Higher order thinking. What's the big deal? Trust me, you will be blown away by how much it can enhance your understanding and creativity. So today together we'll unravel the secrets of how to think about thinking, and you'll soon realize why it is worth. Well, I'm Moti Joseph and let's dive right into the video. Most of us don't really think about thinking. We just go about our day. But imagine if we could unlock the full potential of our minds. Educators, parents, lawmakers, literally everybody has been buzzing about this exciting concept. And let us explore how you can help somebody or you yourself can master this invaluable skill. Let's take a moment to think about a situation where we simply memorize and repeat facts like robots. Remember that history test where you had to memorize all those dates and events? Sure, we aced it, but did we truly understand why those events happened and their significance in shaping the world? Now, if you think about our past, moving from middle to high or high secondary or even college, teachers or professors expect us to do more with what we have learned. For example, ever felt like a book's ending just wasn't right? Well, it is a higher order thinking that lets us imagine and write our own epic conclusions. Or have you ever wondered why a character behaves the way they do in a story? That's again your higher order thinking at play. Remember when we read Harry Potter and we asked ourselves why Snappy was so mysterious and enigmatic? Well, it's the higher order thinking that helps us delve deeper into his motives, connecting the dots between his actions and his true intentions, like being a detective of the mind. Now imagine taking that detective mentality to every aspect of our lives. We'd be unstoppable problem solvers, analyzing situations from multiple angles and perhaps finding innovative solutions. Isn't that interesting? That allows me to talk about creativity. In science class, we might be asked to design a gadget or instrument. And imagine crafting an instrument that's never been heard before, like combining a flute with a guitar. That's again higher order thinking at its most creative. Think about it, we could call it the sound fusion, and by combining the elegance of a flute with the strumming power of a guitar, we'd perhaps create a harmonious masterpiece that mesmerizes the whole world. It's again like composing music with our minds. Now imagine applying that creative mastery to real life challenges. Instead of following the crowd, we'd be pioneers, paving new paths and revolutionizing industries with our out-of-box thinking. Now that we have seen what could have happened with science class, let's check history. A class that isn't just about memorizing dates, it's about connecting the past to our present. And when it comes to language and arts, we might compare and contrast historical figures like Julius Caesar, Hitler, etc. And understanding their actions and consequences, it again involves higher order thinking. Imagine discussing the lessons Nazism holds for today's world events. By analyzing the historical events, we can again make informed decisions, and with higher order thinking, we can learn from the past to create a better future. It's like becoming architects of change. Now think about how we can apply this skill in our everyday lives. From making ethical decisions to understanding global issues, we would become well-rounded citizens of this world. You might be thinking, I'm not good at this. But here's the great news. Higher order thinking can be learned and it can be made perfect with practice. Now think of it as a workout for your brain. The more you exercise your higher order thinking muscles, the stronger and more agile they become. It's like a mental gym, and we are all on our way to becoming thinking athletes. Now picture a world where everyone engages in higher order thinking, collaborating, and motivating to solve the grand challenges of our time. The possibilities, again, are endless. Now let's delve into metacognition, thinking about our thinking. So it's like being a pilot, again navigating the skies of our own thoughts. Imagine you are studying for a test and you realize that you learn best by writing things down rather than just reading. Recognizing this preference is metacognition in action. So with this understanding, you can tailor your study methods for success, and this again allows us to know our mental strengths and weaknesses, which will make us more effective learners and thinkers. Now that you know what higher order thinking is and what it can do to you, get ready for an exciting journey that will sharpen your mind and unleash your creative powers. And remember, higher order thinking is like a superpower that makes you a true intellectual hero. So let's keep embracing challenges, questioning the world around us, and never stop learning. If you enjoyed this content, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing content. Stay curious, stay creative, and keep thinking big. See you soon.